What's up everybody? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very freaking exciting video to show you guys because for the last 3 weeks or so, I have been working on my dream in-home gym. And this is something that I've dreamed about literally having forever, is to just wake up, go downstairs, and the only room we had to do it is obviously the garage, so we cleared out the garage, and I just wanted to take you guys along the process and show you guys one of my favorite pieces of equipment in the garage, which is a Tonal. And a quick shout out to Tonal for sponsoring this video as well, for being so freaking awesome to work with as a form of transferring this Tonal, because the Tonal used to be in my boyfriend's apartment. I've had the Tonal for almost a year now, and that's how much I freaking love it. But at the same time, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna have to remove the Tonal from the wall and reinstall it. But the installation process of a Tonal is absolutely so seamless, way easier than I ever imagined it could be. I just wanna preface this entire video because I understand that a lot of people can't build their in-home gym. That's not the entire point of this, and owning a Tonal, you don't need to build an in-home gym. The entire point is actually that you don't need to build an in-home gym with a Tonal because it has everything that you'll ever need right on one piece of technology. And you just need really a few feet of space to do a lot of different types of workouts, probably any workout you could ever imagine. I feel like the best way to describe the Tonal is to watch me use it and for me to demonstrate it. So I'm gonna show you guys that later on in the video as well. But what I would say, it's the coolest piece of fitness technology that I've ever experienced. So basically what it is, it's digital weight. It's better than dumbbells. There's so many different things you could do with it. You'll see as well, there's handles, bars, and it's digital weight. So it actually can go from 5 pounds to 150 pounds within a second. That can help you as you're doing the move, guide you and help perfect your form. For example, I was doing deadlifts. I was hinge more at the hips, not so much of a squat. It literally knows my exact movement. So that's why it's so awesome for both for my fitness level and for my boyfriend's fitness level. He lifts a lot more than I do. And so to change it right there is really cool with digital weight as well. There's not only follow along workouts and customizable workouts. I like to do the customizable workouts. My boyfriend does the follow along workouts, but I like to pick and choose and be creative with my workouts. So the Tonal lets me do that as well. But they also just added live workouts, and I just had my first live workout on the Tonal. It was so freaking cool to be in a class in real time with other people and being able to cheer them on as well. So they added that feature, so make sure to check it out as well. But first things first, I wanna just take you guys through my in-home gym building process and what it looked like just 18 days before I finished it. So freaking excited that you guys finally get to see it and listen to it. All right, you guys, here is what the garage looks like right now. I obviously have random furniture in here, and I actually today am having someone come take these cabinets out. Also, I feel like I need to repaint this. There were racks right here. Taking the cabinets out. Kind of like this, right? Mm-hmm. It's the peachy keen, like that. All right, you guys, disregard the drilling if you guys can hear that, but I wanted to show you guys the progress so far. So right there were the cabinets. I took out all the stuff. Here's just more stuff that's gonna go up. No more holes in the walls or anything like that. And now getting ready to paint. And I kind of had a tough decision on which color to choose. I will show you guys more here. These are the 3 colors I was choosing from for the wall. I actually wanna do a big stripe and then a little stripe. Good morning, everybody. I am so freaking excited because today we finish part 1, or really just the beginning of starting the in-home gym process. And after this, I can finally actually start working on getting equipment and getting it all in there and kind of organizing it all. So I have the painter coming very soon to finish the paint job. He is going to paint, like I said, hopefully that middle color, Coral Gables, diagonally, mainly on the wall, mostly on the wall of diagonally, and then a stripe. Hopefully you guys will understand afterwards in a second when I show you guys. Now let's do it. You guys, I am so obsessed. Wait for it, wait for it. Hey. I love it. Ooh, it smells like paint in here. Wow. My Tonal right there. A neon sign I ordered. Then let's go inside because quite a few packages. and they are my gym floors. So I have to install them myself. Let's see how this goes. The mat goes down, so I take a sit. Now back to work. I am out of breath right now. I just did this all by myself. So put together the gym floors. I'm using these boxes and like these weights on the end to like flatten it out so I can then put it down for sure. And now it is time for more wine. And here is where we're at so far. I'm obsessed. Wow, thank you. Oh my gosh. Looks incredible. Wow, stoked. This is my mat holder right there. And then we decided to put the little holder of all the other gym stuff here. All right, here is the after, what it looks like currently. I might still be adding a few things to it, but I am obsessed with it. It is so perfect for me. All right, you read the sign. Let's get to it. I'm going to turn my tonal on. Super easy, you just turn it on right here. Don't even need to look. As I open it up, I see my streak is 7 weeks. Kind of sad because I literally took, I think 1 or 2 weeks off. I had a really good streak going. So also you can see how many workouts I have done, which is really, really dope on it. I've done 127 workouts, and you guys can train with different people on the tonal. So I like to custom build my workouts. My recent ones are all of these right here. Say I have handles on, but also I want to use a bar or I want to use the rope as well. I can search the move by accessory right here, which is also really cool and makes it really convenient when I already have a certain type of handle on. Also, let me just preface this and say the accessories are so easy to interchange and the arms are so easy to move. Watch this. So, if you guys are wondering if the accessories are interchangeable, also very easy. Watch how easy it is to now change out the accessories. Less than 5 seconds. I'm a trainer myself. There's obviously tons of follow along workouts on the tonal. You guys can seriously do any type of workouts, variety of HIIT, yoga, Pilates, core, booty, arms, chest, back, like literally whatever you guys want and whatever time you want as well. Anything from like 5 minutes to like 45 minutes. So you guys can follow along a video, of course, but at the same time, I have like a passion for like being creative. I do the custom build workout, so I can actually choose exactly what I'm doing and kind of create and customize my workout every single day to be different. I really want to just take you guys through a little bit of the workout moves and show you also how easy it is to change the digital weight. So stay with me. Okay, today I really wanted to do a nice full body strength workout. This exercise is one of my favorites. It's really working every angle of my booty and my arms. Watch how easy this is. Crazy. Okay, this was a prime example of why I love a digital weight so much, because I can obviously squat more weight, and so I change it to just be a little lighter to do these pull crosses, and then changing out the arms to make sure I can get the right angle to work my triceps for this move. After I do the move, I will get this form feedback right here, which is so cool. And now to change it to a bar. You guys, you can even bench press on the tonal. That's how much it feels like a gym. So basically, it tells me what I'm working, how many reps, if I need a demo. This is my goal. You can always change that as well. And then watch this. The weight is off right now, so the bar basically has nothing to it. All I do to turn the weight on is this. Or you can also press the side. Every piece of accessory has a button you could just hit, but the bar has this. And that means either the weight goes on or off. All right, you guys, I customized my own 25-minute workout and I am feeling great, obviously. It's right there, right in my house. How much do you love the tonal?
So much.
He uses it literally daily. Everything you need is on that tonal, so make sure you guys try it. I will link everything down below if you guys want to check out Tonal. I highly recommend it. Live workouts just launched on there, and they're one of my favorite things to really connect and be with a sense of community as well. So make sure to check it out. Thank you so much to Tonal for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you liked my in-home gym. Bye, guys.